Here at the Kansas Learning Center for Health, our motto is Education for a Healthy Life. We want everybody that attends to learn how to live healthier lifestyles. When visitors first arrive at the Kansas Learning Center for Health, the first thing they see is a little bit of our history and how we started. We have a memorial and donation wall. On our donor wall, you'll notice a couple of pictures. One of them is Dr. Irene Kinnicky. She was the wife of Dr. Arthur E. Hertzler, and she is the one that was instrumental in creating the Kansas Learning Center for Health. Dr. Irene Kinnicky first learned about a Velita by reading the Kansas City Star. And the Velita is a transparent anatomical mannequin. She thought it'd be a great way to help educate people and students about the body while also doing health education programs, which is something that Dr. Hertzler thoroughly enjoyed. This is the coolest room. The kids love coming in here. It's our exhibit hall, and everything in here is very interactive. We know it's best for kids to learn in a variety of ways, and here they're able to hands-on learn how things work. We have a large heart that they get to see. We have Aunt Elsie's Market where they can learn about nutritional information. We have the brain, which is a huge thing. We also have a real skeleton. We call him Charlie Bones. We have a digestive exhibit that's new. The kids really enjoy playing with it, but they also get to learn while they're playing. And that's the best thing about the exhibit hall, is getting to learn, but have fun doing so. This room is our auditorium, and in here it's the home of Velita. Velita was one of the first exhibits we received when we started the Kansas Learning Center for Health back in 1965. So for us, it's pretty much a hidden gem that we have her here when there were 20 at one time and there's only 2 left. We use this auditorium as a classroom for teaching as well. This past year, we had schools from 16 different counties visit us for their health education programs. And we always enjoy having new schools attend that we haven't seen before. Once they come in and experience one of our programs, they usually try and come back for more. In this classroom, we teach about human reproduction and puberty. We see over 5,000 students usually each year, sometimes 6,000 or 7,000 students each year to learn about puberty and how to take care of their bodies. So this room does have some flexibility that we can teach other classes in here too now. So this classroom was added on as a part of our annex addition to the building. So in here we teach a lot about nutrition, dental health, all the body systems. And so we're able to do that in this room, and it offers some flexibility with the seating. We can either have the stools out, we can put regular chairs, or we can have the students sit on the floor, which oftentimes we do with the preschool students. So we're excited to have Bruce Wilson on our team. He's going to be going out to those 26 Northwest counties this year, taking our health education programs out on the road and doing outreach. So a new exhibit that we're working on is a farm to family exhibit, and it's going to show the process it takes for the food to get to their plate. They might think that their food just comes simply from a grocery store, and we want them to learn how their food really gets to their plate. The Kansas Learning Center for Health receives its funding through admissions for our health education programs, through grants, sponsorships, and by individual donations. There are various ways to give to the Kansas Learning Center for Health. Whether you want to participate and sponsor one of our fundraising events or golf tournaments or camps, you can even donate to help provide funding for a school to attend that might not otherwise be able to. Or you can even become a monthly donor or a one-time donor. We make donating easy. We have an online process that you can do, or we also welcome any checks or donations in the door as well.